Hi guys, welcome to today. We're in our chalet and I'll show you my dogs. They're so cute. Okay. I got it. I'll show you them. This is Penny. Penny! Penny! He's so funny. And this is Junior, the boy. He's chilling out. Good boy. Good boy. And this is Penny, good boy. Guys, they are so cute. And he wants to lick you. Come. Look at him. He's so cute. Guys, Penny, go in. Penny, go in. Look at him. Oh my God. Guys, tomorrow we will play some Fortnite, okay? Because someone's telling me. Look. Oh, yo! I'm a J.O. I'm a Wave. I'm a J.O. Oh, yeah, I'm a Leo. Oh, yeah, who's a Leo? Look at it. Go back. Look at him. Go back. Come on, look at it. Oh, look how we go. And that's it for the video, guys. Bye-bye.